Not ready for work yet? Don't miss this video. We're showcasing incredibly skilled workers doing amazing jobs every day. High-Tech is here to give you a fresh burst of energy to boost your work spirit. Next up, this builder will show us how to create anti-slip edges for your stairs. While he works on the windowsill, watching him can really calm us down. These workers showcase a clever trick for scooping rocks into buckets. Using a hoverboard helps him speed up the work process. The excavator, guided by the worker's expert hands, smoothly positions the concrete column into place. Building a pool involves many satisfying steps, and here's a great example. The wall transforms completely when the painting master begins his magic. If you're thinking about removing the door to paint it, check out this clever trick. Even Newton might tip his hat to this builder's incredible skill. Great work. Let's take a guess at how much weight he's carrying. Slow and steady teamwork and balance are essential when handling heavy materials. If you like this video, give a thumb up. A skilled excavator operator can maneuver it across anywhere. If art isn't your strong suit, try this handy trick. Wow, watch this pro turn his work into a masterpiece. What do you think about this? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Hire this guy and watch your drain go from mundane to magnificent. Using this pole, finishing the road surface becomes a quick and easy task. All you need is a small piece of wood and a hammer to remove those wooden stakes. With just a wooden stick and a knife, you can perfectly cut plasterboard into round shapes. Thanks to this team's expert coordination, the 12mm thick glass remains perfectly intact. These nimble hands make sure not a single tile is missed. Working so high up requires not just skill, but also a good dose of courage. With this stand, even moving a 5-ton truck won't be a challenge. This guy's method of using bags to transport bricks makes the whole process easier. For this man, his hands are quite literally invaluable. Their excellent teamwork is bound to earn some appreciation from the boss. He can move the concrete blocks all on his own, without any help. If you like this video, give a thumb up. It's wonderful to have the ability to create your own patterns. The paint buckets attached to the stilts are an even more amazing sight. How fast! This is what you call professionalism at its finest. Teamwork always wins. This shows just how efficient teamwork can be. Let's take a look at how an oval dome ceiling is crafted. The optimal method for painting a wall. Think that iron bar is useless? Think again, it can even replace a handheld cutter. What do you think of this art? Fixing bricks around outlets is a technique that requires high precision. Could I have like this design for my home? Being slow and calm is a must for him to finish his work. You can hide the drain cover into the floor using this method. If you like this video, give a thumb up. Teamwork truly turns dreams into reality. What an innovative and secure way to transport concrete. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Till next time.